Look what the mailman just dropped off, yo. Finally. Alternator is in. Let's get to work. Out with the old. Look at that. In with the new. I ain't gonna lie. This blood clot alternator took me around 2.5 hours just to install it with the belt in back. With the tension and everything was in a difficult position. Everything. Tell them, man, now I see why mechanics charge a lot of money. Took a long time, but it's in. Alright. First start up. Let's see. Wow. One click. No battery light. Good. I guess the problem is solved.